All right, we're back at Super Rigs. I'm here with Randy from Equipment Express. How you doing today?
Good.
Dude, this truck, when I was rolling down the judging line, the stance on this truck, it's totally sick.
Thank you.
What can you tell me about this truck?
It's a 07 379. It's got about 738,000 on it. We just rebuilt it.
No kidding.
Redone everything.
Wow.
Yeah,
I thought it was brand new.
No, it's old.
What's under the hood?
6 1/4 cat, redone. Got a marine cam, PDI turbo. It's all painted.
Wow. Now, what are you hauling with a truck like this? You're not hauling freight, right?
Well, we haul pipeline equipment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're on the oil fields,
Yep,
off-road.
Yep. We've been doing
let's
Super
take a look at this truck.
2008, I guess.
Now, what's the deal with the color here?
It's mint green.
Yeah.
I think hunter green frame.
Okay.
Yep. Back of the cab's been reskinned. Most Peterbilt cabs don't have that ripple in it.
I've never seen that. Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah. So.
How
312 wheelbase.
Really? How do you keep this truck so clean for a truck that goes off-road?
We just a lot of elbow grease.
Yeah.
A lot of elbow grease.
It's really impressive.
A lot of time.
Let's look at the back of the truck.
Right on.
I like that plate. Is that a Teflon plate?
Yep.
That's really nice. No grease, no mess.
Yeah.
It's like a troublemaker. Is that you? Is that the name of the truck?
That's the name of the truck. Maybe a little bit of both.
Yeah. Does it cause a stir everywhere you go?
Right.
Look at those cool green lights.
Yeah.
That's
American
really cool.
Super Lights.
Those
yeah,
are
makes
really
those,
cool.
They light up red. Yeah.
Who makes those mud flap weights? Those are
RLK Services.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They got some good stuff over there. I like that. You got that big CB antenna back there.
Yes, sir.
Now, where do you guys run?
Pretty much all over Texas.
Really?
Mostly Texas.
Mostly
but
Texas?
Texas.
I mean, Texas is kind of like its own country, right?
We'll do West Virginia.
Yeah.
We'll do
Okay.
PA. We'll do
wherever
Wyoming.
you gotta go?
That's right. Wherever the pipeline's at.
Wow. What kind of weight can you haul with a truck like this?
With the trailer I have, it's a 55-ton XL.
Wow.
I can put 95 or so on the trailer, so I can gross in the 150s.
Wow. That's a lot of weight. You got to pay attention everywhere you go.
Oh, yeah.
You're watching everything, checking everything twice.
Yeah.
All right. Well, welcome to Super Rigs.
Thank you.
Good luck with the
Appreciate it.
judging.
Yep,
All right.
thanks.
Thank you.